press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interviews.
Hi guys, this is Sunidhi from Placement Interviews, and today we have Kumod Ranjan, who has been placed at Sun Pharmaceuticals. So let's hear his interview experience.
Hello everyone, I am Kumod Ranjan from NIT Jalandhar, final year chemical engineering student. I recently got placed in Sun Pharmaceutical Limited in core chemical engineering profile. I am here to discuss about the whole placement procedure and my personal interview experience with you all. So now let's do the Sun Pharma part. In Sun Pharmaceutical, the profile offered to is of a core chemical engineering. So they expect a very good chemical knowledge from us. As different approaches are there for Reliance and Sun Pharma. Reliance is a human handling profile, and in Sun Pharma it is a machine handling profile. So you have to be very good with your concepts, core chemical concepts. There are also 4 steps in Sun Pharma. First is screening, which is based on the CGPA. 6 CGPA and above are eligible for the Sun Pharma with no backlogs, or all backlogs are cleared till 6th semester. Then there was a written paper. In written, quantitative aptitude, verbal aptitude, logical aptitude and technical portion are there. Except all this, there was a psychometric paper also, which have 20 minutes, 80 questions and 20 minutes time. It is very simple. So in part of Sun Pharma, you can do it just by practicing it from indiabix.com and RS Agarwal. Sun Pharma basically focus on a core chemical knowledge, as they offer the profile of a core chemical engineer. So they expect very good knowledge and conceptual clearance from us. So for the preparation of Sun Pharma, you should be very well prepared. At least you should be very well prepared for 2 subjects. Or if you have any good projects, then go through it thoroughly. They ask questions from that only. In my case, I did projects from ONGC Mumbai and 2 projects from Engineers India Limited Delhi. And my interview was of 90 minutes, and it only revolved around my project. So for the core chemical companies, important topics are distillation column, pumps and heat exchanger. So you must have a very good command and a knowledge, conceptual clearance for this. For Sun Pharma, I just suggest you to read the equipments well, as they ask me about impellers, cooling towers, falling film dryers, difference between thermal conductivity and conductance, and on the factor and what factors it all will depend, agitation and mixing. So if you have a very good project, then prepare it well, as the whole interview will revolve around that only. In my case, I did 1 project from ONGC Mumbai and 2 projects from Engineers India Limited Delhi. So my interview was of 90 minutes, and it is about only my projects. So if you have a very good project, then go through it. Or if you don't have a good project, then prepare 2 subjects thoroughly and have a very good command over it. So in core companies, the important topics are distillation column, pumps, heat exchangers. Have a very good command over it. Study the equipments well and be through your resume.
What was your preparation strategy?
Now my preparation strategy. Actually I don't follow any fixed preparation strategy for all the companies, as there is no fixed algorithm that you should follow for every company. Every company profile is different, their demand, their approach is different. So I prepared according to the companies. As general, I want to suggest you that practice aptitude on a daily basis. Read newspaper, be confident and be focused about your approach, what you want and where you want to go. सबसे ज़्यादा पूछने जाने वाला क्वेश्चन ये है कि CGPA मैटर करता है कि नहीं, मार्क्स मैटर करता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मैं भी अपने सीनियर से फर्स्ट ईयर से ही पूछते आ रहा हूँ, as I also don't have a very good CGPA. So आंसर ऑफ इट कि CGPA उतना ही मैटर करता है जब तक आप एलिजिबल नहीं हो जाते किसी भी कंपनी के लिए. If you are once eligible after screening, then CGPA उतना मैटर नहीं करता है. अदर फैक्टर्स जो है CGPA को कंपनसेट करने के लिए, either do lots of projects, have a very good command over your knowledge, have a very good conceptual knowledge, be best in your field, बी इम्प्रेसिव एंड बी एक्सप्रेसिव, क्योंकि नॉलेज होना इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, लेकिन नॉलेज को एक्सप्रेस करना इज अनदर वेरी बेस्ट थिंग which is much demanded in the interviews.
Any tips and tricks that you'd like to share?
तो फाइनल प्रिपरेशन टिप फॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आप डेली बेसिस पे प्रिपेयर एप्टीट्यूड, क्योंकि हमारे करिकुलम में हम 4 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ते हैं बट एप्टीट्यूड इज नॉट देयर. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एप्टीट्यूड बिफोर एंटरिंग इनटू 7th sem. In summer vacations also you can start doing aptitude. Read newspaper daily for GD, and for GD language is not a barrier. Be expressive in the interview. जितना आपको नॉलेज है उतना आप अच्छे से बताओ उन्हें. GD के लिए जो है लैंग्वेज कोई बैरियर नहीं है, तो आप उसमें डर के शांत बैठने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जितना भी आता है, जो भी आता है, आप उसको अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस करो, क्योंकि कंपनीज ऑल्सो नॉट डिमांड परफेक्शन फ्रॉम यू. वो आपकी पोटेंशियल चेक करते हैं कि आप ट्रेनिंग के बाद आप वो कर सकते हो कि नहीं. इंटरव्यू के टाइप्स होते हैं, सिचुएशनल इंटरव्यूज होता है, स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यूज होते हैं. सो डिफरेंट इंटरव्यूज के लिए डिफरेंट प्रिपरेशन चाहिए. तो आप जो है पहले जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ो अच्छे से, उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करो अकॉर्डिंगली. होप यू ऑल विल गेट your dream jobs. Prepared it well, have confidence within you. All the best from my side. You can connect me on LinkedIn by Kumod Ranjan. I will like to interact and get your comments. Thank you.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also let us know if you like these videos and if you want to watch more of them, and suggest us topics in the comment section below. And also I'll be linking all the social media handles in the description. You can go there, follow us there, drop a text if you want to be interviewed, or if you know somebody who can be interviewed and would help others. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time.